Okay, now it's time for a little bit of interactivity. And we've got somebody who's going to come up and teach us all about something brand new, which I only found out about the other night. It's Mike Bibenicek leading our interactive session today. Let's give him a round of applause.
Sorry, so first lesson, when you want to make things work, turn them on. So, okay, thank you for interaction.
That's all right.
I have actually 10 minutes, guys, to make some fun together. So, let's start. What is AI art? Anyone here know what is AI art? Like just... Okay, let's try it different. Anyone here is hungry, looking forward for lunch? Here? Oh yeah, it's working. Okay, so AI art. AI art is pretty much simply sense of anything produced by artificial intelligence looking art. It could be music, it could be images, it could be videos, whatever. Together we will check, yeah, that easy. Together we will check together how it looks like when artificial intelligence actually producing images. So this is kind of my favorite mood board of images produced by DALL-E, which is one of the AI systems to produce images. You can see some stuff which seems like similar of normal images, but some of looks maybe a bit weird, some of them looks cartoon. AI can actually produce so many different type of styles, colors, even like crazy combinations I would like to show you. For example, my favorite one. You can produce that kind of fish by typing to actually AI tool 3D render of cute tropical fish and aquarium to dark background digital blah blah blah, and then the AI comes with this kind of image. But after those, you can actually scale it to many different type of images like that with the same description. So the ultimate power of this is like you can type any of your ideas, and AI can produce somehow the way how she or her or him or it sees how they're supposed to look. So this is one of my favorite example. I have another one because I am big fan of monkeys, I don't know why, but I am also really big fan of lemons. The cool thing about AI producing images is that you can actually combine whatever you want. So I put a flying monkey with a lemon helmet, happy sunny universe, photorealistic mood, cinematic style, high resolution, detailed. I know it's not like a normal sentence what you will ever say. It's more like the sentence how I'm thinking about the image, but this is what comes from the AI. This is my monkey with the super cool lemon helmet with in many different type. Another cool thing about producing images with AI is that actually you can produce the same description of your idea in many different ways, because the AI works always differently, so you can try it again. So guys, what about to try it together? I know you all have your smartphones here. I saw you from the backstage that everyone was here. So if you can take your smartphones now actually and go to the website Wombo Art. Actually, use this QR code, which would be much faster. Yeah, you're supposed to actually land on the website what you can see on my mockup. It looks like that. As I mentioned in the beginning, you have many different type of tools to use the AI generation. This one is one of the most simplest what I get as a tip from the last speaker, so thank you for that. There are also different tools, but now let's try everyone to produce something, like use your imagination, like do not limit yourself, put there any kind of ideas what you like, what you would like to see, what you would like to combine. I put there some examples. Yeah, like futuristic vision of orchestra playing epic rap music in cathedral, photorealistic high resolution or things like that. But you can do it whatever you want by yourself actually to produce your picture. Quick tip for you all guys, these art styles, this is something what helps you to choose how the picture is supposed to look like in the end of the process. So when you put there any kind of ideas, words, what you want to see, you can also pick your art style there, like spectral or HDR, which would be high resolution, or colorful, whatever you want. It's all about you. And then you just click the button, start creating, and then the AI will produce your image from your description, actually. You see, I put there like something crazy and fun, which is pretty much simple, but you will definitely can find out some better ways. The great thing about it is that you can use any kind of combination. Like, as much as it seems crazy, it's even better because it's do the things like I showed you before, like a lemon helmet on monkey's head or things like that. And now a cool part too. I actually discussed with FuturePort guys that we would like to do some kind of a competition from this. So everyone, when you pick your most favorite thing, what you produce with this AI, just you can share it on your Insta stories as I show you on my mockup with the futureport.eu, which is the profile of FuturePort. And we would be more than happy to share your actually pieces and also to choose one of the best to give them our merchandise and stuff like that. So I was asked to keep all this in 10 minutes, so I think I have pretty much good time. Cool. So I hope that you try this. I hope you enjoy it. I'm also looking forward to see your pictures sharing. As I mentioned here, just do not forget to tag futureport.eu on Instagram, because then you know how the Instagram works, yeah? So that's the only way how we will find it out, can repost it, or even pick one of you or a couple of you and give you some merchandise. So, like that. Thank you for your time, guys. My name is Mike again. I am CEO of advertising agency at Netera Motion, which is one of the partners here. I hope you enjoy this, and if anyone have any kind of question about the AI generation of pictures or anything, just stop me anywhere and I can share with you everything what I know about it. So, thank you, guys.
Woo!